MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management is gaining popularity and has become one of the most sought after career choices in the financial sector. They have both distinct features and provide tremendous potential for career growth and development in the corporate world. Let's find out more about them. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Education Mitra, आपके शिक्षा का सारथी. I am Kajal with you. Today our topic of discussion is the distance learning MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management from Suresh Gyanvyar University. Suresh Gyanvyar University is a center for distance learning and online excellence located in Jaipur, Rajasthan. This is UGC, DEB and AICTE approved and has NAC A accreditation. Investment banking blends the expertise of the financial services industry, effective communication skills and analytical prowess to support institutional customers and clients in financial activities such as mergers, acquisitions, share buybacks, stock splits, business restructuring, initial public offerings, spin-off and capital raising. Wealth management. Wealth management consists of financial services designed for people at the individual level having high net worth values. It includes portfolio management and asset allocations. It can be termed comprehensive financial planning, blending portfolio management with financial services such as insurance planning, cash flow management, estate planning and tax planning. MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management assists to learn specialized skills about leveraged buyouts and exhibiting resistance to attempt takeovers. It teaches about the essential evaluation of wealth in business and arranging capital financing and restructuring of different business contracts to maximize the profitability of the organization. Curriculum. The curriculum of MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management from SGVU includes Business Policies and Strategic Management, Production Operation and HCM, Business Research Methodology, Business and Corporate Law, Business Communication Skills, Information Technology for Business, Business Ethics and Corporate Governance, Security and Investment Analysis, Investment Banking, Entrepreneurship and Innovation Management, and many more. Career prospects. There are numerous benefits to pursuing an MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management. Along with the career growth and expansion, it offers an extensive scope in asset handling, allocation and management. It opens a gateway of job offers in both public and private sectors, such as relationship manager, asset allocation manager, consultant for risk management, portfolio manager, banking business analyst, banking customer service manager, business development manager broking, branch manager in retail banking, bank loan manager, investment banking associate, wealth management analyst, resource manager, cluster manager, and many more. The average salary for professionals with MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management ranges from Rs 5 lakh per annum up to Rs 15 lakh per annum. The list of top recruiters includes Lehman Brothers, Barclays, KPMG, Deutsche Bank, HDFC, Deloitte, PricewaterhouseCoopers, and many more. So what next? Enroll now with the renowned SGVU for the distance learning MBA in Investment Banking and Wealth Management and bolster your knowledge base for stupendous career growth prospects. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such informative videos. Keep watching Education Mitra, आपकी शिक्षा का सारथी. Thank you.